Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we will explore IONQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of October in the year 2024, our system has identified IONQ as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.4. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 155.6% since we initially designated IONQ as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.37% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper part of a broad and strong upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $25 will initially signal a heightened rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 102.48% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 19.71% to 115.24%. In regard to the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative change of 7.34% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 77.04% and negative 2.31%. This translates to a price range between $5.40 and $22.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline, High Volatility in IONQ Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $23.52. The IONQ Incorporated stock price decreased by 5.18% on the last day, Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, from $24.80 to $23.52. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 14.98%, reaching a low of $21.30 and a high of $24.49. The price has experienced notable ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 32.03% gain over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume is expected to align with stock performance. On the last trading day, the volume dropped by 29 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $810,570,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $25.68, while the lowest price was $6.23. Currently, the price is 8.43%, or $2.17, below the 52-week high and 34.50%, or $12.39, below the all-time high recorded on the 18th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $35.90. IONQ has recently experienced a notable increase in stock performance, primarily due to its strategic advancements in quantum technology and key partnerships. This year, the company achieved 2 significant milestones in its pursuit of leadership in quantum networking, positioning itself just 2 milestones away from developing scalable photonic interconnects. This progress complements its recent acquisition of Qubitekk, which adds 118 patents to its portfolio, enhancing its capabilities in the rapidly growing quantum communication market. Financially, IONQ reported strong earnings for the third quarter, exceeding revenue estimates despite a quarterly loss of 24 cents per share. The company has cultivated partnerships with major players such as Ansys and AstraZeneca, broadening its presence in the telecommunications, biopharma, and engineering sectors. This strategic emphasis on innovation, along with substantial cash reserves, has fostered a positive sentiment among investors, driving the stock price to its highest level since November 2021. In the short term, these developments are likely to maintain a positive momentum in IONQ's stock price as market confidence continues to build. Over the long term, IONQ's potential to solidify its position in the quantum computing landscape could result in significant growth, alleviating risks linked to high operational costs. All these factors create an appealing scenario for investors considering entry or continued involvement in the quantum technology space. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, October 11th, 2024, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned IONQ a perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned IONQ a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, August 12th, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned IONQ a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, August 8th, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned IONQ a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, May 16th, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned IONQ a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned IONQ stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. The stock of IONQ Inc. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at $18.78 and $13.18. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, November 8th, 2024, with a current decline of 5.18%. Further drops are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell 2 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 40 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also pointed to a buy signal 41 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 45 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss considerations for IONQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.11 and $17.81. Without any support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases. If the stock drops below the support at $17.81, it could lead to a significant decline in price. This stock is subject to considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.19 between its high and low, representing a change of 14.98%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 17.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on February 26, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 23 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for IONQ is at $24.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, IONQ meets its first support level at $22.11. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Alameddin Rima, who bought and sold 56,125 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 2.308. In total, insiders acquired 5,298,929 shares and disposed of 15,493,149 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.22, which reflects a decrease of 5.51%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for IONQ Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate that IONQ will open lower, down by 413 ten-thousandths of a dollar, and begin trading at $23.10. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Decisions regarding your investments should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.